From the frigid, unforgiving expanse of the Bering Sea emerges a silhouette. A colossal presence, veiled by mist and the endless gray of the Arctic winter. What leviathan is this, braving some of Earth's most dangerous waters? It is a world unto itself, a moving fortress of industry, dedicated to a creature of the deep. A creature whose very name conjures images of luxury, but whose journey from the seabed to the plate remains largely unseen. A mystery, hidden within the waves. This is no ordinary vessel. It is a factory. A city of steel, hundreds of feet long, designed for a singular, relentless purpose, to transform. To take the raw, dangerous bounty of the deep and convert it, with astonishing speed and precision, into a commodity of immense value. How does such a monumental operation sustain itself, miles from any land? What fuels its engines, powers its lights, and feeds its hundreds of inhabitants? The questions linger, as this floating world carves its path through the ice. Its quarry? The Alaskan king crab. A creature of staggering size and formidable defense, dwelling in the icy depths. But the journey from its underwater kingdom to the ship is fraught with peril. For the fishermen, battling gale-force winds and monstrous waves, each pot retrieved is a victory. Each crab, a testament to endurance. The smaller fishing vessels, having braved the elements for days, now converge on the mothership. They carry the raw, pulsating heart of this entire operation. But how is it transferred from their decks to the factory's maw? The moment of transfer is a dance of danger and precision. Giant cranes, reaching out like mechanical arms, pluck containers overflowing with live crab from the pitching decks of the catcher boats. Each swing is a calculated risk. The wind, the waves, the sheer weight of the living cargo, all conspire to make this transfer perilous. Hundreds of crabs, their legs twitching, their shells gleaming, are lifted from their temporary confinement. Destination? The processing line. The clock is ticking. Freshness, paramount. Once aboard, the crabs are immediately unleashed onto the receiving deck. A chaotic cascade of claws and legs. But chaos quickly yields to order. The air here is a symphony of clicks, scuttles, and the spray of icy seawater. Crew members, bundled against the biting cold, stand ready. Their task? To manage this living tide. To ensure that every crab, no matter how formidable, finds its designated path. The initial assessment begins here, under the harsh glare of industrial lights. What secrets will this first inspection reveal? Speed is critical, but so is adherence to strict regulations. The sorting process is rigorous, a meticulous triage of the living. Not every crab is destined for the plate. Females, their reproductive future vital for the species, are carefully identified and returned to the ocean. Crabs too small, or those that have perished during the journey, are also sorted out. It's a balance between efficiency and sustainability. Human hands, moving with practiced dexterity, sift through the writhing mass. Each decision, swift. Each movement, precise. Once sorted, the king crabs embark on their final journey within the ship's intricate network. The next stage is abrupt, a swift transition from living creature to raw product. Machines, designed for efficiency and safety, perform the initial breakdown. The process is standardized, designed to minimize waste and maximize yield. What remains is the prized leg and claw sections, ready for their culinary transformation. This is where the true industrial scale of the operation becomes starkly apparent, a seamless, continuous flow from nature to commodity. Heat. It is the crucial element in the next stage. The raw crab sections are fed into vast, automated steam chambers. Here, under precise temperature and pressure, the translucent flesh transforms into the vibrant red that consumers recognize. Cooking on board, immediately after the catch, locks in freshness, preserving the delicate flavor of the king crab. It's a race against time, a battle against natural degradation. How quickly can thousands of pounds of crab be perfectly cooked, ensuring quality and taste? Once cooked, the battle against time shifts. Rapid cooling is paramount to halt the cooking process and prepare the crab for preservation. Icy water baths, often mixed with filtered seawater, quickly bring down the temperature. This step also involves glazing, a thin layer of ice that forms around each section, protecting the delicate meat from freezer burn. It's a precise science, ensuring that the texture and succulence remain intact, even after months in storage. Every detail matters in this meticulous journey. The ultimate preservation technique, freezing. But not just any freezing. These ships are equipped with powerful blast freezers, capable of plummeting temperatures to extreme lows in mere hours. Thousands of pounds of crab legs move through these icy tunnels, transforming from fresh, cooked product to solid, preserved delicacy. It's a process designed for speed and efficiency, ensuring that the nutritional value and taste are locked in, ready for their eventual thawing thousands of miles away. The cold, once a threat, now a guardian. From the freezing tunnels, the now rock-hard crab sections are directed to the packaging lines. Here, human hands return to the fore, carefully arranging and boxing the frozen legs. Quality control is paramount. Each package must meet exacting standards before it leaves the ship. Labels are applied, origins declared, and the final product is stacked, ready for storage in the ship's cavernous holds. It's the culmination of hours of intense, continuous labor, transforming a wild catch into a market-ready treasure. Who are the individuals behind this relentless operation? Hundreds of crew members, from diverse backgrounds, work around the clock in these brutal conditions. The cold is constant. The shifts are long. The danger, ever present. From the engineers who maintain the intricate machinery to the deckhands who brave the open seas, their resolve is extraordinary. They live and work in an isolated steel world, driven by a shared purpose. What compels them to endure such an existence, miles from shore, enduring the ocean's wrath? This operation never truly sleeps. It is a 24/7 cycle, a constant hum of machinery and human effort. As one shift ends, another begins, ensuring an uninterrupted flow of crab through the processing line. The rhythm is hypnotic, the efficiency astonishing. From the moment a crab is unloaded to when its frozen legs are packed, mere hours elapse. This speed is a testament to the ship's design, the crew's dedication, and the immense pressure to capitalize on the precious, limited fishing season. A relentless pursuit of perfection. The numbers tell a story of staggering scale. A single factory ship, during a peak season, can process an unimaginable quantity of king crab. This isn't just about individual crabs, it's about tons, thousands of pounds of this premium seafood. Such output requires not only immense infrastructure but also meticulous logistical planning. Every crab counts, every pound represents countless hours of dangerous labor. It truly is one of the world's largest, most intense seafood operations. Why endure such extreme conditions? Why invest in such colossal, specialized vessels? The answer lies in the extraordinary value of the Alaskan king crab. Its succulent, sweet meat commands a premium price globally, making it one of the most sought-after seafood delicacies. From high-end restaurants to discerning home chefs, the demand is constant. This floating factory is a critical link in a multi-million-dollar global supply chain, a testament to the lengths humanity will go for luxury and sustenance. Once processed, frozen, and meticulously packed, the king crab awaits its final journey. Stored deep within the ship's holds, it will remain perfectly preserved until the vessel makes port. From there, it embarks on a complex logistical network, transported by air and land, crossing continents and oceans, to reach its ultimate destination, the tables of consumers worldwide. The journey, begun in the icy depths, culminates in a moment of culinary indulgence. A testament to the power of human ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of a valuable resource. As one season ends, the cycle prepares to begin anew. The king crab factory ship, a marvel of engineering and human endurance, will return to its home port for maintenance, resupply, and a brief respite. But the call of the Bering Sea, and the demand for its valuable treasure, will inevitably draw it back. The mystery of its operations, once veiled, is now revealed. A story of danger, scale, speed, and unwavering precision. A testament to the human spirit, battling the elements to harvest the ocean's most prized bounty.